Hi, ladies and gentlemen. It's such a pleasure to be with you today, even peri-pandemic. I'm David Armstrong. I'm a professor of surgery and director of uh, the Southwestern Academic Limb Salvage Alliance, or SALSA, here at the Keck School of Medicine of University of Southern California. Beautiful, sunny, as you can see, Los Angeles. And you know, one of these things that we're always asked about is what can we do to better protect our feet? But we're never asked that in the time of COVID, because your feet are probably 11th on your 10 most important things to think about. And I can understand that. But why are they important? Well, if you have diabetes, you know that the most common reason you'll be admitted to hospital is not for high blood sugar or for a heart attack or a stroke, God forbid, but it's for your feet. It's for a foot problem. And these problems, of course, compound themselves in the time of a pandemic like COVID. And of course, now, if you're admitted to the hospital with a comorbid condition like diabetes or hypertension or obesity, that compounds your risk for morbidity and even mortality, if we look at the best available data currently. So the big idea for us is just to stay at home intact and safe during this time and beyond. So what can you do? Well, look, here's a very, very simple tip. At least once a day, maybe twice if you can, just knock your socks off. Literally, knock your shoes and socks off. And if you can get there and take a look at your feet, great. And if you can't get down there to evaluate your own feet, have someone you love, someone you really love, do it for you. And if there's anything that's worrying you, just, and this is going to sound a little weird, but just take a foot selfie. And that foot selfie that you can take with your smartphone, which I'm sure you have if you're watching me right now, can be sent to the doctor, and it can describe a problem that you might communicate with a doctor or nurse by telehealth or by what we call store and forward. And that could be worth 1,000 words, and it could be worth life and limb, literally, if you're talking about being admitted to the hospital or not. Here's an example. This just happened. My mother-in-law just sent me a foot selfie. I know this is too much information, but she gave me permission. There it is. You see the little happy face that I drew on her toenail, where I was looking at her a little bit earlier. Mom, I'm sorry for giving away such information, but I know you wouldn't mind at all in the name of science. But anyway, look, she now is automatically at lower risk. She was concerned about a potential ingrown toenail. Now she's going to come in and see us, and we're going to try to protect her from hopefully entering into an unneeded emergency room visit. Because prevention, a little ounce of that's worth a pound of cure. And hopefully for us, it's going to help us keep a few more legs on a few more bodies, because that's what we all deserve. No matter what our health, no matter what our age, whether we have diabetes or not, and pre, peri, or post-pandemic. Here's to making a difference. Thanks a bunch.